Nature is full of wonders and surprises. Here are 5 incredible facts about our planet that will leave you in awe. There's a tree in California called the General Sherman. It's the largest tree on Earth, weighing over 2 million pounds. Did you know? The Amazon rainforest is so vast it produces 20% of the Earth's oxygen. It's often called the lungs of the planet. Lightning strikes Earth about 8 million times a day. That's over 90 times every second. There's a lake in Senegal called Lake Retba, and it's bright pink. The color comes from algae that produce a red pigment. Ant colonies are like superorganisms. Some species have millions of ants working together like a single brain. Our world is truly amazing. Like and subscribe for more fun and inspiring facts about nature. Which fact amazed you the most? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing insights about our planet.